Hey guys, today we are going to learn how you can log in or sign up to Insterra's mobile app. Start by opening the application on your device and you should see a screen something like this. If you are an existing member, click on sign in, and if you are a new one, click on sign up. Proceed by entering your details, your first name, your last name, your email and a new password. Agree to the privacy policy and terms of use and click on next. Now you must have received a verification link on your registered email. To check that, go to your email inbox and open the email from Insterra. Click on the link inside the email to get onboarded on the platform. After successful registration, enter your registered email ID and password to sign in. Now before you can enjoy the amazing benefits of Insterra, you'll be asked for a few simple details such as your branch of education or location, your institution name, your graduation year and your top skills. Congratulations, you have successfully registered on the platform.